Bebo Lutero.
Thank you. Salamat. Maayong hapon sa inyo tanan. Welcome po sa ating Agila Basketball League dito po sa Visayas for the Visayas League. Salamat din po sa ating National Sports Commission Chairman, Kuya Gata Agustin, at sa ating mga kasama sa National Sports, Kuya Boyet, Kuya Norman, Kuya Christian, Kuya Jay, at sa lahat ng mga members ng National Sports, at sa lahat ng mga teams na nandito, you're welcome po para sa ating opening game para sa National Basketball League, sa Agila Basketball League dito po sa Visayas. At hindi ko na po mahabain, dito rin po ang lahat ng kapatid ng team ko namin sa Western Visayas region. And may the best man win. Mabuhay ang Agila!
Now brings to deliver is National Vice President for Visayas Message, Colon, Kuya Arnold Beasis.
Thank you. First of all, I would thank to all the governors of Central Visayas region and also the Western Visayas region. Thank you for your possibility of our Agila Basketball League headed by our commissioner, Kuya Lad, and the rest of the commissioners of this league. And then thank you also the senior league headed by our very own governor, Kuya Lomi Tapayan, and also the governor of Central Visayas Region 4, headed by the governor of Central Visayas Region 22. Thank you very much, Kuya Lomi, and Kuya katong sasagyan mo, si Chris Tangayan, and Vice Governor before of Chris Tangayan, Kuya Raul Ostoya, thank you. And also, my team, Central Visayas Region 6, headed by our very own Kuya Juher, thank you very much. All Kuya of Central Visayas Region, thank you, and good afternoon. Enjoy the rest of the game.
Thank you very much, Kuya BPV. Now, let's all welcome and give a round of applause, fresh from Manila, our National Sports Commission Chairman, Kuya Benilo Agustin.
Kay daghang salamat po, Cebu City, Central Visayas Region, Western Visayas Region. In behalf of our National President, Kuya Ronald de los Santos, nagpapasalamat po kami ng marami sa inyo, especially po sa ating Vice Chairman po ng National Sports Commission, Kuya Bebo Lutero, and our Vice President for Visayas, Kuya Arnold Beasis, and soon to be,
Nindad na rin, dapat ay duwa. Dapat na dayon mo duwa.
alam niyo po, mga Central Visayas Region at Western Visayas Region,
Samon, nakuha na akong lugar.
hindi niyo po pinutol ang daan ng pagkakaisa mula po sa Luzon hanggang sa Visayas. Pinagpapatuloy po natin ang pagkakaisa dahil po ang National Sports Commission ang daan po ng pagkakaisa simula po rito sa Agila Basketball League. At nagpapasalamat po kami ng marami sa inyo. Hindi niyo po kami binigo kahit po maliit lang yung oras at nagkaroon po kami ng hindi magandang pangyayari sa Luzon because we lost a friend. This game and this opening is dedicated to Kuya Go Papi Cholo, our Chief of Staff and Finance Head. Maswerte po kayo, Central Visayas Region. Dahil po, itinuloy namin po ang opening natin na to para po kay Papi Cholo at para sa ating National President, Ronald de los Santos. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang Agila!
Thank you very much, our National Sports Commission Chairman. Siyempre, ito ang pinakahihintay na lahat. May I call on the National Vice Chairman for National Sports Sports Commission, Kuya Bebong Lotero, and the Deputy Commissioner of Aguilar Basketball League, Kuya Norman Abasa, for the official opening of ABL Visayas League.
Mga kuya natin, magandang hapon. Hindi na natin pagkatagal ng laban. Sisimulan na po natin. Let's get it on!
The ABL Visayas League is now officially open! Now, siyempre, hindi matatapos ang ating programa. All muses kindly proceed on the center line. All muses kindly proceed to the center line.